As Luke descends the tree, we just hung our owl house up here, a good 20, probably more like 24 feet off the ground, facing north. I can hear the dogs just got outside, so they'll probably be running up here pretty quick, but just wanted to share one of our little projects. I'll put a link down below to the plans that I used. All right, we're hanging the owl house using Luke's climber to get some elevation.
Alright, so I'm in.
Luke's getting ready to mount. We're probably over 20 feet to the bottom of his stand.
This thing's heavy. Oh boy. Ooh.
There, he's starting to lift up. Maybe Cole will give him a hand for the first couple feet. Oh, he's getting it. Well, it's got the cordless drill inside of there and some wood chips in the bottom to.
Does he have any screws? Oh my
Yep.
god.
You notice Luke is tied off to the tree, so we're using and wearing a safety harness.
Okay, top screws are in. Might get this rope off, you think?
Got the first two screws in the top. Getting the rope off of it, but to give it a perspective, all the way down. And there's the ground. And that's our old chicken coop in the background. Haven't had chickens in a couple years, but still have the coop. Dogs don't like playing up here or nothing. And Luke's almost down. One of the reasons for hanging the house here, you can see our house in the background. We also have electric to this chicken coop, so if we do get some inhabitants, we would love to be able to actually put a like a blink camera on the front of the owl house to catch any of our occupants. So that'll be kind of fun. Girls, girls, Birdie, Lou. And they're off.